Hello everyone, my name is Archana and today we are going to do exercise 6A of our book Hands-on Mathematics of class 5. Let's see first question, and before we proceed on to the questions, let me tell you this chapter is related to fractions. Now, first question says if 5 apples are divided amongst 20 people, how much will each one get? So we have got 4 options over here and we have to choose the correct option. Let's try framing the answer. So 5 apples are there which we have to divide into 20 people. So what will be the answer? We have to think of a number which can divide this 5 and 20 at the same time. So we will read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So the answer is 1 out of 4. Each person is going to get 1 out of 4 parts. Now, second question says if 2 dozen mangoes are divided amongst 8 people, how much will each one get? Over here, how many mangoes are there? 2 dozen. 1 dozen has got 12 pieces. 1 dozen has 12 pieces or 12 mangoes. 2 dozen will give us 24 mangoes. So 24 mangoes are to be divided into how many people? Into 8 people. So we will divide 24 with 8 and let's start reducing. Okay, so what is the answer over here? It is option B. 1 kg wheat. Now let's go to the third question. If 1 kg wheat is divided amongst 5 people, how much will each one get? 1 kg has got how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And we have to see when we divide 1 kg into 5 people, how much will each one get? So for this, we will divide 1000 with 5. And the answer which we will get is 5 2s are 10 and 00 will follow. So the answer is 200 grams, which is option B. Now, a day is divided into 4 parts. How long is each part? What is divided? A day. A day has got how many hours? 1 day has got 24 hours. And if we divide it into 6 parts, which is if we divide 24 into 6 parts, how much will we get? We have to read the table till the time we don't get 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So the answer is okay. This marks the end of our exercise 6A. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.